Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will be creating this logo animation that you see on the screen for Metallica. So let's get it done. So here we are in After Effects and I already imported the project file that we will need for this video. It's a metal texture. So choose new composition and call this logo animation. Duration of 3 seconds should be enough. So use the standard settings and click OK. So we will import this metal texture over here now and press S for scale settings, and then we can scale it up like so. And now we press T and change the opacity to 15. So we will have a background like that, and we will click on the layer, hit enter and rename this to BG for background. Now we will select text tool over here and type in our text. So we will be using this font called Pastor of Muppets. We will change this to normal. So, and we will type in our text, and for this one we are going to go over here and change this from normal to flipped, so it takes a reverse effect. And now I want this text to have a metallic look, so we will give this a metallic effect. So we pull this down again, and over here we change this track matte to alpha matte, so it gets a metallic look. And now we right click over here, click on new and create a solid, rename this to saber, and go to effects and presets, type in saber. It's a free plugin, you can just type it in on Google, and so double click on it and we will change this blend mode over here to add, so we can see it on our background. And now on the settings for saber we got customize core over here. So open this and change this to text layer, and text layer change this to Metallica. So we have this glowing text, and to change that we change this glow intensity to 15. So we get something like that, and there are a lot of presets over here. We can have a look at some of those. So this one looks nice, ghost, but we will be using energy for this one. Energize, I mean. So we will give this a red color, like so. And here at the beginning we set a keyframe on and offset and go to 2 seconds and change this to 0. So let's have a look at our animation. It's a heavy effect, so it could take some time to render. Looking fine so far. So now we are going to select all those layers except background. So click on one of them, and while holding shift click on the last one and press Ctrl Shift C to pre-compose those, and I'll call this Metallica. So now we want to add an effect to this, so go to effects and presets and type in scale vibe. So this one, double click on it. So we add it to this composition and change this stretch over here to 90, and change the direction to -90. So we will be getting something like that. And now we want to move this center point to, while holding shift until we can't see the text. So set a keyframe on it at the beginning to center and go to first second, go to 1 second, and now move this point over here while holding shift until we can see the whole text. And we change this blend mode over here to add so we can see the background as well. And there we have our animation. Let's have a look at it. Fit this, and there we go. That's it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed, subscribe to the channel, give it a like as well, and see you on the next video.